Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to resolve the issue of the Instagram Notes feature not showing up. Let's dive right in. First, take a look at my Instagram screen. I already have the Notes feature, but some of you might not. I'm here to help you with 3 methods to fix this. Start by going to your App Store. Ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. Sometimes people forget to update their apps, and this could be the reason you're missing the Notes feature. After updating, check if it appears. If the feature is still missing, you can try a fresh install of Instagram. This involves removing the app and then reinstalling it from the App Store. This guarantees a clean and updated version of the app, which might resolve the issue. If neither of the above methods works, there might be an account-specific issue. Go to your profile, click on the top right corner and access Settings Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and select Help. Here, you'll find Report a Problem. Use this option to describe your issue, e.g., my Instagram notes haven't updated. Please help, and click Send Support Agents. We'll review your request and hopefully address the problem. Sometimes, Instagram can be a bit finicky with updates.